How to solve TikTok draft video problem. So if you have any problem with the drafts, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, you have to go into the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps here, you will find all the apps on your phone. Go to the TikTok, click on this force stop and then go to the data usage and disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back and now you have to open the storage here or the internal storage, click on clear cache and go back again to the settings of your phone, open the wireless and networks page, go to the airplane mode and enable it for 15 seconds. You have to enable it for 15 seconds and disable it again and then reopen TikTok and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved, this means that you have a problem with the network. Don't forget to like, subscribe.